Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps can significantly improve their seasonal allergy symptoms. As we age, managing these allergies becomes crucial for maintaining a high quality of life. If you're an older adult facing the discomfort of sneezing, itchy eyes, or congestion, know that you're not alone. Understanding and proactively managing your allergies can make a world of difference in your daily comfort and well-being. Let's explore practical ways to minimize the impact of allergies, empowering you to enjoy every season with confidence and ease. As we age, our bodies undergo changes that can make us more susceptible to allergies. Imagine your immune system as a shield. It can wear down over time, making you more sensitive to environmental allergens like pollen. Allergies occur when your body's defenses mistake harmless substances as threats, overreacting as if they are harmful. This overreaction can lead to symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and congestion. By understanding this, you gain insight into why symptoms may worsen with age. Let's demystify how these conditions affect us in our later years and how you can better manage them. Recognizing allergy symptoms early is key to managing them effectively. Common signs in seniors include sneezing, nasal congestion, runny or itchy nose, and watery eyes, often mistaken for a cold. More than just an inconvenience, these symptoms can exacerbate other age-related health issues. Because symptoms can overlap with other conditions, staying attuned to changes in your body is important. If you notice consistent patterns tied to certain seasons, it might be allergies. Being vigilant helps differentiate between typical signs of aging and those caused by allergies, paving the way for timely intervention. Nutrition plays a vital role in managing allergies. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, can help reduce inflammation associated with allergies. Consider adding local honey to your diet, which some suggest may help your body better tolerate local pollen. Eating meals at regular times can also support your immune system's health. A varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients that bolster your natural defenses. Simple yet nourishing recipes focused on allergen-free ingredients ensure you enjoy flavorful meals without discomfort. Safe and effective movement is essential in maintaining overall health, which can indirectly help with allergy management. Engage in gentle exercises like yoga or Tai Chi, which can enhance circulation and reduce stress, boosting your immune response. If outdoor exercise is affected by pollen, opt for indoor activities, ensuring you stay active without exposure to triggers. Modifications and using supports like chairs can make these activities accessible and enjoyable, regardless of fitness level. Remember, consistency is key. Incremental progress is beneficial and helps you remain motivated and engaged. Regular medical checkups and professional care are vital in effectively managing allergies in seniors. Collaborate closely with healthcare providers to tailor an allergy management plan suited to your individual needs. They may recommend medications or allergy shots to help reduce symptoms or advise on avoiding specific allergens. Understanding when symptoms require immediate medical attention ensures your safety. Keep an open line of communication with your doctor, sharing your experiences and concerns. This partnership is crucial in navigating your healthcare journey with confidence and foresight. Allergies can affect more than just your physical health. They can influence your mental and social well-being too. Dealing with persistent symptoms may lead to feelings of frustration or isolation. Staying connected with friends, joining allergy support groups, or participating in social activities can mitigate these effects. Maintaining a positive outlook is empowering and helps in coping with symptoms. Practicing stress reduction techniques, such as meditation or guided imagery, can enhance your emotional resilience, fostering a sense of community and support, essential for a fulfilling life despite allergies. To recap, understanding and managing seasonal allergies in later years is very achievable. We've explored recognizing symptoms, dietary adjustments, engaging in safe exercise, regular medical monitoring, and nurturing mental well-being. Take the first step by identifying your triggers and working closely with your healthcare provider. Implement small, sustainable changes and witness the positive impact on your daily comfort and joy. Remember, you possess the wisdom and experience to navigate these challenges and continue enjoying every season of life. Embrace a proactive approach to enhancing your quality of life today.